Hello, John. Can you shortly explain what you have been doing in the AEGIS project with the Spanish partners, and then more specifically what you have been doing with the Vodafone Foundation Spain?
Vodafone Spain Foundation and University Polytechnic of Madrid have been working on developing accessible applications for mobile. We have focused on open source software like Java mobile applications on LUID and LCDY, and also Android applications. So we have developed 3 applications for users with disabilities. One is a contact manager. It's the most used application that everybody uses in a daily life, and we want to make sure that this application is completely accessible. So we have made it accessible for blind users, for users with low vision, because we provide different high contrast themes, and also for users with cognitive impairment. We make it very easy with not so much functionality, but in a very simple way, so we can guarantee that they are going to choose the right contact and they are going to be able to use the application. We have also developed messaging applications using different technologies like SMS, MMS, emails, and instant messaging. And lastly, we have developed also applications for deaf users, that is the real-time text application. It allows a very dynamic text conversation between deaf users, so they can interact much more easily than instant messaging, because they know in real time what the other user is typing, and then they can really interact very easily and answer as fast as possible. This is very important in emergency situations where time is critical for them. We have also tried to help developers to create accessible applications. That's why we have developed different tools like the LUID Resource Editor or the Android Droid Draw to help developers in understanding what the user's needs are, and also in creating accessible applications and make sure that the applications are really accessible. That's why we give them hints on accessibility issues, so they can see very fast that an error has been committed, and they can change it as fast as possible. But of course we need the users, and that's why TechnoSite, as a pilot in Spain, has been really involved in showing these applications to the users, making sure that they are able to use them, and give all this feedback on accessibility issues back to the developers. We have done this in 3 different phases. So in a very iterative way, we have been developing new prototypes with new features, with accessibility fixes, and back again we go to the users and we get better and better prototypes. So we are at the end of the project. We were also we have the demonstrations, the final demonstration for the users, and we are very looking forward to see the users really downloading the application, that most of them are already in the market, and they will enjoy it and will help them in their daily life.